Welcome back to the Wellness Pantry, everyone. Today, I'm tackling a critically important topic that affects millions of people worldwide: mental health awareness. With more people opening up about their mental health challenges, it's time to push forward even further in 2024. How can we spread awareness, combat stigma, and help those struggling get the support they need? I've got some creative and actionable strategies lined up to make a real difference, so let's dive in. If you're passionate about mental health or simply want to learn more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like so we can continue spreading the word together. Section 1. Why mental health awareness is more important than ever. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about why raising mental health awareness in 2024 is so essential. In the past decade, conversations around mental health have come a long way. More people are openly discussing their experiences with anxiety, depression, stress, and other mental health issues. However, stigma still exists, and access to mental health care can be a significant barrier for many. The pandemic has intensified the mental health crisis, with people experiencing heightened isolation, anxiety, and even trauma. Despite increased awareness, there's still a critical need to educate communities, reduce the stigma around seeking help, and advocate for better access to mental health resources. Now, more than ever, we need to find innovative ways to keep the conversation going and provide tangible support for those who need it. Section 2. Leveraging social media for mental health awareness. One of the most powerful tools we have at our disposal to raise awareness is social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are not just for entertainment, they've become spaces for advocacy and education. In 2024, using social media effectively can help us reach a global audience and make mental health conversations a part of daily life. Here are a few creative ways to use social media to raise mental health awareness. Create and share personal stories. Vulnerability is powerful. By sharing personal mental health experiences, you can help others feel less alone and encourage them to seek help. Authenticity resonates deeply on social platforms. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers who are passionate about mental health can amplify your message. Choose those who align with your values and who have a genuine interest in breaking the stigma around mental health issues. Host live Q&A sessions. Live streams and Q&A sessions allow real-time interaction with your audience. These can be hosted by mental health professionals or advocates to provide helpful information and answer questions in an open and supportive environment. Use viral challenges and hashtags. In 2024, we'll continue to see the power of challenges like #BellLet'sTalk and #MentalHealthMatters. You can create your own hashtag campaign to encourage people to share their mental health journeys or offer tips for managing stress and anxiety. Section 3. Organizing community events and workshops beyond social media. Getting involved in your local community is another impactful way to raise mental health awareness. Whether virtual or in person, community events can offer a safe space for people to learn, share, and grow together. Here's how to get started. Host a mental health awareness day. Organize a local event where mental health professionals can offer workshops, counseling sessions, or mindfulness activities like yoga and meditation. These events can be held at schools, workplaces, or community centers. Create support groups. Offering peer-led support groups gives people a safe environment to talk about their struggles without fear of judgment. These groups can focus on specific issues like depression, grief, or anxiety, and they provide a sense of belonging for participants. Partner with schools and universities. Many young people struggle with mental health, so teaming up with schools to offer mental health workshops or seminars can be incredibly effective. Topics could include managing stress, identifying early signs of mental health challenges, and understanding where to seek help. Volunteer with mental health organizations. There are countless mental health organizations looking for volunteers to help spread awareness and provide resources. Whether you help at crisis centers or assist in organizing events, every small action counts. Section 4. Raising awareness through art and creative campaigns. Art has a unique ability to express complex emotions and spark conversations, making it a fantastic medium for raising mental health awareness. Whether you're an artist, writer, filmmaker, or musician, your creativity can play a big role in mental health advocacy. Here are some ways to use art to make an impact. Create mental health-themed art exhibitions. Partner with local artists to create pieces that explore the theme of mental health. You can host exhibitions in galleries or virtual spaces, and use these opportunities to spark discussions about mental wellness. Film short documentaries or personal stories, storytelling through video can be incredibly impactful. Consider creating short films or documentaries that follow the mental health journeys of real people, highlighting their struggles and triumphs. Organize music or poetry nights. Music and poetry can deeply resonate with people and provide comfort. Hosting a mental health-themed music or poetry night can help people express their emotions and connect with others who might be feeling the same way. Design posters and digital art for campaigns. If you're a graphic designer, consider creating visually compelling posters and infographics that can be shared online or posted in public spaces to raise awareness. Section 5. Educating through mental health literacy. Education is key to breaking down misconceptions about mental health, and mental health literacy should be a priority in 2024. This involves teaching people how to recognize the signs of mental illness, where to seek help, and how to support those around them. Here are some ways to spread mental health education. Offer online courses or webinars. Create educational content in the form of online courses, workshops, or webinars. Topics could include managing anxiety, understanding depression, or how to support a loved one with mental illness. Create downloadable guides or ebooks. Write practical guides that can be downloaded and shared, offering tips on self-care, understanding mental health diagnoses, and finding resources for help. Partner with workplaces. In 2024, mental health in the workplace will continue to be a major topic. Partner with companies to offer mental health training and seminars for employees, helping to create supportive and understanding work environments. Distribute educational materials. Whether it's pamphlets, flyers, or brochures, having materials available in public spaces like libraries, hospitals, and community centers can help educate people who may not have access to online resources. Section 6. Advocacy for mental health policy change. While awareness is crucial, it's also important to push for systemic change. Advocating for mental health policies that improve access to care and support is a powerful way to make a long-term impact. Here's how you can advocate for change. Lobby for better mental health funding. Governments need to allocate more resources toward mental health services. You can get involved by signing petitions, contacting your local representatives, or joining advocacy groups that focus on improving mental health policies. Support mental health parity laws. Mental health parity laws ensure that mental health care is treated the same as physical health care when it comes to insurance coverage. Advocate for these laws to make mental health treatment more accessible. Participate in mental health rallies and marches. Public demonstrations like rallies or marches can draw attention to mental health issues and push for policy changes. Join or organize a local march in support of mental health reform. Speak at public forums and community meetings. Use your voice to advocate for better mental health resources in your community by speaking at local government meetings or public forums. Section 7. Self-care and mental health awareness. While raising awareness for others, it's essential to take care of your own mental health. Self-care isn't just about relaxing, it's about creating routines and habits that support your emotional well-being. Here are a few tips for practicing self-care while advocating for mental health. Set boundaries. Know your limits and avoid burnout by taking time for yourself when needed. Activism can be draining, so it's important to recharge. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help reduce stress and keep you grounded, especially when dealing with emotionally charged topics like mental health. Stay connected with supportive communities. Surround yourself with people who share your passion for mental health advocacy and who can support you emotionally when needed. Celebrate small victories. Raising awareness takes time, but even small wins, like seeing someone share your content or attend your event, deserve to be celebrated. And there you have it, creative and impactful ways to raise mental health awareness in 2024. Whether through social media, community events, artistic campaigns, or advocacy, each one of us can play a part in breaking the stigma and creating a world where mental health is prioritized. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on mental health and wellness. Let me know in the comments how you plan to raise mental health awareness in 2024, and let's continue this important conversation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.